In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get your daily 1000 naira without stress. I'll be showing you step by step how you can actually get 1000 naira for yourself daily. But before I proceed, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. And if you are new here and you want to be making money or you want to be getting notification for my new video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section to know how you feel about the video you are about to see. So let's dive into the video. Do tax daily and earn money. So the first thing to do is to click on the link in the description of this video and register on this particular website. So the first thing to do is put your first name, your last name, your username. If you are a male or female, just put it there. Put your email address. It is very, very important. And then I am having this because I'll be your referrer, and I think this is the little way you can just support me for bringing this platform to you. Then make sure you register with this link so that I can get your support for me too, and put your password. You can see all these boxes that are asterisk with red color. They are very, very important. So you just put your password, confirm your password, and sign up. You can see creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited, so one account per person. So I have one account already, so I don't have to create another account again. So all what you have to do is just create an account for yourself. So after registering on this platform, the next thing to do is just to click on this three hamburger sign and then click on profile, then set up your profile here. So after that, you start earning money for yourself. So this is my profile and this is my username, and then you can see Esther Oluwafemi is my name, my email address, my mobile number, and everything will be showing here. And I've already joined this platform since like a year ago. I joined in 2021. So after setting up your profile, then you have to set up your bank account details. So everything is there. I've already set everything. So to start earning on this particular platform, just click on this three hamburger sign and click on available jobs to see the jobs that are available on this website. And there it is. Like we have available jobs. We have the most recent one. They've already paid because we have two categories of paying job that are here. So we have the most recent and we have the highest paying. So under the highest paying, you are going to see the ones that you are going to do and you get paid. Like you can see, if you do this first one, you will get 200 naira. If you do the second one, get 200 naira. If you do the third one, you have 190. At times you are going to have like 500. You can earn 500 per task on this particular website too. So make sure you do all these tasks, and when you add everything up, then you'll be getting 1000 naira and above daily. So after doing that, if you want to cash out your money and you've already set your bank account, just click on wallet and you are going to see the money you've already earned so far. I've already earned some, I've already withdrawn some money. And if you want to withdraw your money, you get your money on Fridays. Like you get your money on Fridays. If you want to withdraw earnings now, then and if you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw your earnings when you earn over 1999 naira. Withdrawals are processed every Fridays. Make sure your bank details are updated in your profile. So after you've already registered on this particular website, make sure that you put your account number in your profile. So then you click on the money and the amount you want to withdraw. But they are going to withdraw 30 naira. So this is my account number. I've already put it there. Then you are going to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw into your bank account. But make sure that you have up to that amount of money that in this on this particular website, and you've already earned up to like 2000 naira, so you can make your withdrawal successfully. So after that, you go to your available jobs, then see the jobs you can do, the tasks you can do. You can just take survey, you can register on a particular app. You can see, download this app and register. TikTok, you have to follow. You have star click. You can join WhatsApp group. You earn 14.20 naira. can get $1 on Pillow app. If you even download Pillow, you are going to get $1 for doing that, and you are going to get 100 naira if you complete the task. So let's click on this Pillow app now to view the job, to view what you'll be doing. So you can see what is expected from workers. You can trust Pillow app to save your money or your naira in dollars. So what you have to do is to put this referral code into when registering, and make your first savings within 48 hours, and don't withdraw it for 30 days. You can see they put the rules there. So all what you have to do is just follow the rules, and then put your required proof. You just put it there, and then you can see a WhatsApp message from your new Pillow account, so that I can tell you how to claim your bonus. So all what you have to do is just to put this referral code there, and you screenshot it and then put it as proof here. Just upload it. Just choose the file, upload it, and submit your proof. It's as simple as that. All what you have to do is, after doing the task, make sure that you're having your proof. Just screenshot your proof, and then send it to your the person that give the job out to you.